that FaceTime. You got more FaceTime than an Apple product.
Hey guys, so in this episode, I'll be covering my recent trip to Korea. Good morning, Korea. Woke up on this first morning and it's raining, but it's gonna be a good day. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Kevin Win, and I was recently featured as a backup dancer in BTS's new music video, Singularity. In this episode, you'll get a very small taste of Seoul, Korea's food, architecture, and culture, and the real reason why I was in Seoul, Korea. So this was my first time in Korea, and it was overwhelming in the greatest way possible. People were nice, the shopping was great, and the city itself felt endless. It was just so big.
It's so big! It is so big!
Fish butt 10 times probably.
Where we at right now, y'all? What? That's a booty. Like, yo, what is happening?
3 go, use your hand and pose like this.
Okay.
Head up and hands on your shoulder.
Awesome.
Okay.
Cool.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go. 1, 2, 3,
go.
And yo, the food. You know, it's funny, I thought I knew what Korean food was before this trip, and it turns out I actually didn't know anything about it at all. So, the main reason why I came to Korea was to actually dance for one of BTS's members, Taehyung. You know, it was a true honor to work for this guy. It's super cool. He's a hardworking artist, always on the grind, and to learn that he's a super cool dude, it made the process even better. It was awesome. And here's a quick look behind the scenes to the Singularity music video shoot. Yo, we're here at the BTS K-pop shoot. Here we go. Let's give you a tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have some helpful links down below in the description. If you would like to learn more about some things in this video, you could find information down there. Please follow, subscribe, and connect with us. Have a good day, and we'll see y'all next time.